Introduction to a Productive Go Workspace.
Setting up a productive Go workspace ensures your projects are organized, maintainable, and efficient. Whether you're new to Go or looking to improve your workflow, using the right structure, tools, and practices can make coding smoother and more enjoyable. Let's break down how to get started, including organizing your code, using modules, and adding helpful editor tools.
Organizing Go projects, folders, and modules.
Begin by creating a unique folder for each Go project. Inside, initialize a Go module with the command go-mod-init, followed by your module path. Go modules help manage dependencies, keep your code portable, and simplify versioning. Stick to standard layouts. Keep source code in the root or in a CMD directory, and configuration or documentation in separate folders.
Using linters to write cleaner code.
Linters are essential for flagging potential errors and enforcing consistent code style. Popular Go linters, like golangci-lint, combine multiple tools for thorough code analysis. Run linters regularly as you develop or automate them using pre-commit hooks. This helps catch bugs early, maintain quality, and make code reviews easier.
Choosing a Go-friendly IDE or editor.
A productive workspace uses an editor or IDE that understands Go. Favorites include Visual Studio Code, GoLand, and Vim with Go plugins. Look for features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and integrated debugging. Install extensions such as the official Go plugin for Visual Studio Code, which brings linting, formatting, testing, and module management into the editor.
Best practices for an efficient workflow.
Adopt best practices to stay organized and efficient. Use GoFMT or a formatting tool on save. Write clear documentation with standard comments. Track dependencies in your Go mod and GoSum files. Consider using version control systems like Git and automate tests with GoTest. Together, these habits create a robust and enjoyable Go development experience.